You see what I see what you see. We are all just reflections of life's eternal tree. As above, so below, a connection to the heavens, made in God's image with love for all our seasons. Growth, expansion, created to evolve, surpass the old belief systems each new generation will solve. The chains of the previous unrighteous ways, a life of disconnection, no reflection, day to day. The evil corruption hiding underground will soon be exposed, eternally lost, forever found. The Most High sees it all, every thought, word, allowing them to dig the eternal grave they deserve. Judgment day will come for the wicked of this world. Make sure your reflection is to the skies, not the floor.